beautiful people. Today I have a huge haul for you guys. I went shopping a little bit today at the Family Dollar and the Dollar General, and I want to show you guys what I got today. Starting off, I am going to show you the Dollar General. At the Dollar General, I did spend $11.24, and this is what I got. First off, I got this LA Colors Blush Up. This is a cheek and a lip cream, but I am going to use this as a blush. The next thing that I got here is this LA Colors Shape It Up Sculpt and Contour Palette. This looks really, really nice, and I can't wait to use it. And the last thing that I got from the Dollar General is this. I got this beautiful cake stand. They did have it in this pink shade, and they also had it in purple. I thought about getting two and stacking them, but I did stack them in store, and it didn't look right, but this is glass, and it is beautiful. Okay, now on to the Family Dollar. I do have 3 bags full of things, so let's check out what I got. First off, I got me this new flatware set. I like it because it's got the white handles, and I got this for $10. Somehow all of my smaller spoons like this has disappeared. Has completely disappeared, and my husband really likes using the smaller flatware, the small spoons and the small forks. So I got this because we needed a new set, and we're on to bag number 2. So I did give me 2 packs of these. These are the Easy Install adjustable brackets. This is for holding up curtains. And I got this so I can make me a makeshift background for when I do my fashion videos. I got me this car vent clip. It is in a water lily. It's an odor elimination and lasting freshness. We'll see about that. I should have got more than one, but I just wanted to get one for now to see how it works. And it's actually really, really cute. I can't wait to put this into my car. I got me one black sheer. And this is going to go for my background here. It's going to complete it on this side. You guys can't see it through here, but you can see it on my TikTok video. So I got me another black curtain to add to my background. I saw these Kiss lashes, and these are the Uncovered collection in the style Peachy. They look so dainty and so damn cute that I had to get these. I got me a nail buffer. It's a 4-way nail buffer by Modessa. I like these because I use a dip nail, and I like to buff the tops off before I soak them in my Willow Wash. I got this LA Colors Color Swap. This is a shadow stick, and it's in like this very pale pink, like a blushed pink. And I got this for my waterline. I can't wait to use this. The last 2 products in this bag is 2 eyeshadow palettes. This one is in Rose, and this is by LA Colors. You guys do not sleep on LA Colors. And this one is in the shade Nude. Finally, my last bag here. I do have 2 products in this bag. I did get a curtain rod to go along with my curtain hooks for my new background for fashion. And the last product here is a 4-tier shoe rack. I'm not quite sure what the quality of this is because I only paid $9 for this, but I needed another shoe rack, so we'll see. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more haul videos from me, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!